Moving to the power transmission in a long distance. The electric power generated is the transmitted over a long distance through the electric transmission lines to reach the towns or cities where it is actually consumed. So that process is called the power transmission. அப்போ எலக்ட்ரிக் பவர் ஜெனரேட் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து ஆஃப்டர் தட் மூவிங் இன் ஏ டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் லைன் ஆஃப்டர் வி ஆர் யூஸிங் த substation. So that is called the power transmission. So here the power transmission means that electrical power, that is the energy losses, already we know the Joule's heating effect, that means I squared R. So we are avoid the energy losses means one is the reduce the current or another one is the reduce the resistance. Here it is reduce the resistance means we are using the thick wire of the copper and aluminum. So that time increase the cost of the production for the transmission lines. So another method we are reduce the current. So that time we are using the transmission means it is efficiently and economically. So that means it is the they are the two transformer used. One is the step up transformer, another one is the step down transformer. Already we know the step up transformer means voltage is increases, current is decreases. Another one is the step down transformer, that means voltage decreases, current is increases. So here the step up transformer means at a transmitting point, the voltage increases and corresponding the current is decreased by using the step up transformer. So here the power station. So here it is the produce the electric power. After we are using the step up transformer. So step up transformer means the voltage increases, current is decreases. So after that it is transmitted through the transmission lines, reduce the current and the high voltage, reach the destination. So here we are using the transmission line. After that reach the destination means here it is using the step down transformer. So that is the step up transformer. Here we are using the step down transformer. So after that we are using the substation. So step down transformer means voltage decreases and the current is increases appropriate value. That means it is called the step down transformer. So that means power transition is done efficiently and economically. One illustration, that means electric power means that is a 2 megawatt. Electric power means that is a 2 megawatt transmitted to the place through the transmission lines. That is the total resistance. That means electric power. Total resistance means 40 ohm. After that, two different voltages. One is the lower voltage. So lower voltage for the violin, that means it is a 10 kilovolt. Another one is the higher voltage. That means it is a 100 kilovolt. We are using the comparison of the power losses for two cases. So here now moving to the case 1, that means power 2 megawatt, resistance 40 ohm, and voltage means now we can take the low voltage, that is the 10 kilovolt. Now here the power means already we know the P equal to VI. Now we can find out the current means P by V. Now here substitute the current and power. Power means 2 megawatts. Mega means that is the 10 power 6 divided by voltage, that means 10. Kilo means it is the 10 power 3. After that we can cancel, then we can get the current means that is the 20 ampere. So that is the high current. That time we can find out the power losses, that is the heat produced means that is the I squared R. That means it is the power loss. Now here substitute the current and resistance value, 200 squared in 40. So that time power losses means 1.6 into 10 power 6 watt. So after that power losses, you can using the percentage method. The type percentage of the power losses means 1.6 into 10 power 6 divided by 2 into 10 power 6 into 100. So now that time we can find out the power losses in a percentage means that is the 80% power losses. That means it is the low voltage. Here it is the current is increases. So that is the percentage losses means that is the 80%. Here it is the losses. So after that moving in a second case means it is the same power. That means it is the 2 megawatt. Resistance already we know the 40 ohm. The time voltage means we are using the higher voltage, that is the 10 kilovolt. So now we can find out the current. So current means already we know the power by voltage. So that means power already 2 into 10 power 6. Voltage means 100 into 10 power 3. So that time current means it is the 20 ampere. It is the low current, high voltage. Now the time we can find out the power losses. Power loss means that is the I squared R. So here the power loss I squared R means, now here substitute the current 20 ampere in resistance 40. So the time current means that is the power loss means 0.016 into 10 power 6 watt. So now here find out the power loss in a percentage. Percentage means 0.016 into 10 power 6 divided by 2 into 10 power 6. That means it is the power into 100. Finally we can get the power loss means it is the 0.08 into 100%. So that time means we can using the power loss means, that means it is the 0.8%. Already we can find out the low voltage and high current means it is the 80%. Now the time second case means that is the high voltage, low current means that is the power losses in a percentage means 0.8%. It is the clear when the electric power is transmitted, that means higher voltage the power loss is reduced at a large extent. So that means it is the higher voltage la low current la நம்ம transmit பண்ணும்போது energy losses is reduced.